Alright, welcome to a new video. We're going to be doing the car spawn. So once you got your model, you're going to open it up. My model's over here. You're going to come up to the model. As you can see, we've got a folder from here, car spawner underscore OOP. We're going to open it up and start ungrouping everything. So we're going to take the remote events and the car spawner config. We're going to pop that into replicated storage. Take the server script servers, put that in there. And then we're going to take these two folders. We're going to put it into there. We're going to workspace. I'm just going to take this and then you can delete the folder. There we go. So we got all of our stuff there. First of all, I'm going to take my car that I have. This is the car that I'm going to be using. This is from one of our packs, just one vehicle I've just done just to make it simple. This is the one vehicle we're going to be using for an example. So all the vehicle cars or vehicles, however you want to call them, in server storage, you're going to put them into the cars folder. Right over there. And then for now, we're just going to copy the name. Okay, we can close all of this. We can go into the config. So first of all, we're going to have general settings and enable toCar command. So basically what this is, if you type in-game :toCar without any spaces, it will teleport you to the driver's seat of the car. Second of all, we've got the spawner UIs, and then we've got one here just for an example, and then you obviously put the name of it. So if we go into here and then spawner UIs, this is where all your spawner UIs will go. So if we take this out of here quick and just open this up, you can see we've got our spawner UI over here. Everything will clone inside of this scrolling frame. So right over there, what we're going to do is for every single UI, it needs to be over here, and this is where it's going to be cloned out of. So we're going to copy the name of this screen UI. We're going to put it into the UI name over there. If you have other ones, all you do is you copy, paste it, and then you got to change the name. So if we want this to 2, spawner 2, and then you just got to change this name. Very simple, not hard. Okay, second table we've got is the cars table. This table is every single car you want to have cloned into here. So we have car 1, this is just for demonstration. We have a model name, so if we go to our cars folder over here in server storage, we can copy this, Control C, and then we can delete this pickup, because actually, no, we need a pickup. We can put the model name in here. The car title will be the name that is displayed on the UI. So this, we can just go Dodge, we'll just go 2014. 2014 Dodge Charger. Okay, and then a whitelisted UI, spawn UI. This, you cannot have it in multiple UIs. If you wanted to have it in multiple UIs, you have to duplicate this whole part. So basically you want to take the UI name you want it to be spawned into, for instance car spawner, copy the name, put it into there, and you're all good. And then if you want more, all you do is you just Control C, Control V, change this up. You have to change this car title, you have to change this. If you want it to another screen UI or UI, you change this to that name. So then we've got that all set. Second, we're going to come over to our spawn pads. These pads are going to be where the cars or vehicles spawn. So you have to rename this to 1, 2, and then however order. So take this, the vehicle or car will spawn right in the middle of this, and that these need to be can collide as false. You can make many of these, as many as you want, and then what you do is, this is just a demonstration, we have it over there. We then will need to change the transparency to 1 so we can't see it, but for this demonstration we're going to keep it like this. Then we're going to have our car spawner over here. What the player will do is they'll click on this object over here. In here you got to click detect it, and in the script it basically spawns. It clones this GUI that you set it to. So then what we're going to do is, I'm going to play the game. So if we go play here. Okay, we're in game. As you can see, we can come up to the spawner over here. We click on it. Shows we got Dodge Charger. We can click spawn, and then that will disappear. And then we have our car. You can drive this car, and the cool thing about it is you can keep the car there. And if you stand on this one, so let's say there's a car or model in the way here, we can just click on this, do it again, and then it spawns right over there. So one thing you may occur, or this error might happen, is your pickups might be different. For instance, you can see my usernames over there. Oh, where's it? Spawn cars. You can see empty car. That should not be like that. It should stay like this. So, simple fix for that. All you're gonna do is once this loads, you come into your cars. Where is it? Cars folder over here. You're gonna go inside the pickup. Then all you're gonna change is you're gonna change this part. And you can just delete that and delete this. Anything that has a name or it's changing the name, you have to delete it. And then we can go spawn here or play here. As you can see, we're in game again. If we in the way here, click spawn, it will spawn on the other one. And you can make however many you want them. You can make them different sizes, the rotation. If the car spawns the other way, all you do is you change the model rotation back to how it was, or you just change it until it fits right. And if we want to come over here, just a little, we got all the text. This, if you have many, so if we go into our player over here, we're going to the scrolling frame and we just complete these. As you can see, depends what your screen is, but as you can see, there's a little side over there. Can't really do much about. But this scrolling frame will adjust to how many frames there are. So as you can see, we've got there, and if we duplicate it again, we have another one. So yeah, and if we delete it all, or click all these, delete it, we have it like just like that. Simple and easy, and check the Discord out, or check out Roblox game or Hub for information.